Look, that's how tight you are.
This is like 10 pounds of potatoes in a 5-pound bag.
Let the darkness take control.
What is up, Lambros? It's Sunday, and we're moving the big Dodge out. Lambo in. That right there, that's thunder. Lightning in the thunder. Thunder is a former defensive tackle. Played a little, like semi-pro football. Up at one point over 500 pounds. This guy, he's huge. So we were talking about this, and it's like, why don't these linebacker guys own Lambos? I mean, he's got this beautiful house in Arizona on the lake with the boat, the Mercedes, the Navigator, but you know, no Lambo for this guy. So I thought, you know, we might as well let him hop in my Lambo and put it in its cozy spot back there, and just, this might tell you why defensive tackles and linebackers and centers don't own Lambos. So we'll be back. Okay, Lambros, this is Thunder. Thunder is about to get in the Lambo and put it back there. Now, this is not meant to make fun of big people. This is just meant to demonstrate to you why people that are larger, like defensive tackles, don't own Lambos. They want Lambos, but maybe won't own a Lambo. Here's the key. So let's see. I've got it kind of in a cozy spot here. Hit the unlock. You might have to move the seat back a bit.
Ooh, cherries.
Ooh, yeah. All right. This thing is so dirty, bro.
I know. We've been rallying it.
It's like, yeah. Look at this windshield, bro. All right, so he's getting in, and then I'll get the start up of this mug. And now, this is it. This is it. Squeeze in.
Oh, yeah.
Squeeze in, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God. Yeah. Hey, look, that's how tight you are.
This is like 10 pounds of potatoes in a 5-pound bag.
10 pounds of potatoes in a 5-pound bag. Oh, shit. All right, he's going to start her up. Whoa. I want to see if the left side's leaning. Lamborghini, I'm having the defensive tackle put the Lambo in. What do you think? You think Thunder's too big for a Lambo?
Nah.
He fit in there. This is it. Be right back. Okay, there he is. This is a pretty sweet garage, by the way. All blue. Probably can't see anything with the sunshine. Oh, he's trying to figure out how to get the thing to go. He's got it. Sorry. Got it? You got it. It's hard to figure out. You got to pull the paddle shifter just to get it into gear. Oh yeah. Go up there and direct it up. All right, now for the finale, he has to get out of it. All right, now here's the finale, Thunder. You got to get out of that sucker.
I was looking down here for the parking brake for like 2 minutes.
That's funny. You just hit the P button. Oh. All right, don't break your neck, bro.
Oh.
Woo. That, my friends, is why the defensive tackle doesn't have a Lambo. Fun to drive maybe, but not fun to get in and out of.
I
Was your
prefer
neck
the
like,
Benz.
you
Yeah,
prefer the Benz?
I couldn't see her going like this either. I couldn't even look.
Oh, no, because the brow's kind of blocking it. So anyway, guys, instructional video here. That's all. Instructional video is why can't you have a Lambo when you're a defensive tackle? Wants 500 pounds, this man, of solid muscle. And he can't fit in it. Can't fit in it at all. So anyway, we're off to the airport in Vegas. We're going to ride in the S-Class. The Lambo is staying right here in Lake Havasu City. So you know we'll be back. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.